Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I cannot center that to save my life. But that is an 18 by 24 inch pre-primed black canvas. And I have colors I have had from recently, and I'm going to use them to make a swipe. And I think the more uneven I make them, the more likely I am to get what I want in the long run. That is an Artist Loft Amethyst. This is a Folk Art color shifting purple. So the reason I make this unlevel like this is because when I start my swipe pull, I get whatever I get from wherever I start. This is a little orange probably from Hobby Lobby. It's probably a Master's Touch. This was probably a yellow that started that way and got some orange added to it. Which I really liked when I had in there yesterday. I have a color shifting red to pink from Folk Art. The more random the better in my opinion. I have some leftover colors from Arteza, which I think would be wonderful in here. And that is a pearl. I'm not sure. They have a lot of pinks. And if I had written down the name, I would tell it to you. I'm going to actually use some yellow, something very unusual for me. I also wanted that dog hair to go away. I have a little bit of white metallic from Anita's. That has a tiny bit of pink in it, and the pink was a fluorescent or a neon pink from Folk Art, but I don't think that matters. This is a dioxazine purple. That yellow is kind of freaking me out. I have some hot orchid around here somewhere, and I need to find it immediately because that was my major and key. Yes, that was my most important ingredient next to the Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Now I really need to have enough paint to pull all the way down, so I'm going to try not to be shy with my copious quantities. So the more paint I put in here, the better off I feel I am. Here is some Venetian blue. And I really wanted to put some copper in yesterday and I didn't. But what I did do was put plenty of orange in there, which seemed to work out quite nicely. So I'm going to do it again and hope that I can get away with the blue and the orange being in the same thing. And then one last yellow, which is the Golden Hour, which is an Arteza. A beautiful pearl, which I love, love, love. And I have to wonder what else I'm missing as I look at this. And the only thing I can think of are right here, which is maybe a little bit of the electric blue from Arteza. And what else? I got rid of most of my purple, didn't I? Well, we'll just give it another dose. Oh, the gold! Yes, the gold is imperative. 2 golds, in fact. Can't have too much gold, I don't think. And where there's Decor Americana 24 karat gold, there's Decor Americana 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange in it. Please let this work as well as yesterday. Okay, so here goes nothing. Ah! Here's my Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added into it. My cell crate. This is my cell activator. My recipe is below. Show more when you click open the video. No dog hairs allowed. I'm just going to go all the way over and hope to get all the way down. And I think I did. I might have to tip this one if it doesn't work out. I am going to switch. Oh, I did find myself a break on the turntable, or at least something to slow it down, which I'm pretty happy about. So it's not something you can readily have you can find it easily. It's the screed from a, I should just show you. It's from doing silk screens. Oh, that's nice. I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna vary this just like I did the last time I did this, and I'm gonna use the white Amsterdam. And use my residual colors on the edge again. And the same on this end too. Alright, one more white go round before I start back again on the black. Just one good squeeze is all it takes. And a little bit of pressure to make sure the paint makes it all the way to the edge. And in this case, to either end also, because there's no reason to waste that paint that I can tell. So I might as well put it right on the end piece. And the rest I can wipe off on my low-lifty silicone mat, and it'll make a wonderful skin at some point in time. This month's skin is going to be pretty interesting, I have to say. So I love that my turntable doesn't escape me right at the moment. And I'm going to go for the black. I remember why I did this yesterday. You know what? I really want a wider card, but I guess I can go twice. I like to tip it down so it goes all the way to that edge. That one got away from me. Where are you? Go back where you're supposed to be. Alright, well, hopefully it will. So I'm going to put a little more black right here. See if I can get that to do the same exact thing again. Which is pretty cool. I'm liking that. This is going to be neat. There's all kinds of stuff that goes through my head when I'm doing these that I might want to do. But those cells are the bomb. Getting paint on the pre-primed canvas isn't part of my plan. This is just a larger, simpler version of something I just did. Only the one I just did, I put lines in between, and it made them look like they were exotic popsicles or ice cream bars or something. I kind of want to blow that out, and I think I will. It's a because I can moment, and why shouldn't I, really? I could probably make trails, but I don't think I need to. Kind of want to put spirals at the end. It's not too late if I wanted to add another color. Really don't want to get rid of my cells. Okay, it's time. I wonder if you can see that. I hope so, because that's the way I need it to be. I'm going to wipe this off on the end right now because I don't need that there. Nice hefty dose. Drip it right down toward the edge. I'm going to double do because I missed some. There we go, I got it. Hopefully that'll be all right. And just half the card to do the rest. Yep, that's what I wanted. That's exactly right. Although my tile is moving. Let's continue with this, and I'm going to torch. I don't know why I want to do something with those edges. I kind of like want to put gold along them or something. I'm not sure why. But I'm very curious to see what that might look like. I kind of want to just do all of it in gold. Boy, that's risky. But I know that that will make an interesting edge. Because the gold will sell up. At the very least at a dendrite. So I've got over 93,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're one of them, please know how much I love you. If you're new, please be welcome. If you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. I haven't quite figured out all the angles on this, how to blend things, but seems to be okay. I could have probably done that in white and done black on the other edge, but it's already black, so that's a moot point. So far so good. I think we're very close to being done. I'm going to let that little gap go. Let it become a little spiral. Boy, it's really tempting. Really tempting. Yeah, it's so tempting I can't resist. I'm going to give myself a little tiny black edge. And hopefully it won't swallow all that color. I don't know why, it just seems like the right thing to do. As opposed to leaking spit, which I am doing. Alright, so really, if I'd saved a little color, I could have put something in there, which I think I would have liked to have done. But for the most part, I'm extremely happy with the patterns that I've got. And if I want to steal some paint, I've got plenty of paint to steal. And I'm just going to do it. I didn't have to, but I wanted to. And take the rest of it and put it on that edge. Sort of want to put white on the other edge. That's crazy. but I think I like it. A unifying factor. Okay, yes, neat. Probably in my own mind I should have made it purple because that would have been perfect. The purple flash to be exact, but I don't mind that this is a little odd. It doesn't want to be symmetrical anyway. I want to do all kinds of stuff, like put little spirals on the edges. I need a better tool if I'm going to do that. Maybe I don't want to do that. Or maybe I do. They'll calm down and dissipate somewhat because the Floetrol levels everything. I do use GAC 800, by the way, by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, and that means even though it's terribly expensive, you only need like 25% with Floetrol. I used 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part GAC 800. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, and if you're looking to buy some or inquire about the price or anything else, my email address is right below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link right under the video. On my link tree, you're going to find Legallerist fashion clothing, investment quality clothing, now available in extra large. I see a spot that I want to steal some paint and fix. Right there. And I can, because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link that's on the link tree, called Unlimited Possibilities, which there are as soon as you realize. Yeah, I know. I said it didn't need to be symmetrical, blah, blah, blah. You can't trust me. As soon as I say something's okay, it's probably bothering me enough for me to want to fix it anyway. Okay, so I'm going to keep torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Please, can I have a thumbs up? I would really, really appreciate that. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you're the most help of all. I'm so not done stealing paint. And if you don't tell, I won't tell, and no one will know. Anywhere the paint is deep makes it a viable alternative to putting up with it the way it is. And I can go around and fix any edges I need. So, thank you guys for all the compliments and all the comments. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you would like to be included in the monthly drawing, you will see the prizes for the monthly drawing at the very beginning of the exhibition video that I share with you on the end screens of all videos in the last 20 seconds. If you visit my link tree, you're going to find my website in case you're interested. And pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More has all kinds of less expensive than Legallerist, but the dresses on Legallerist are the bomb, so it's definitely worth checking them out. I see something, I'm hoping I'll see it again, because I took my eye off it, and I've got tweezers, but there it is, cool, might be a bubble. Don't think so. Whatever it is, I want it gone. Well, the paint is deep. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Oh, wait. You know what? Check out the fact that I have 2,000 videos and they are organized by the 100 and also by topic and genre. And you can find them. And if you can't find them by going to playlists, all playlists, you can ask me for a link and I'll be happy to give it to you. And I want to thank you guys for everything, and especially shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you, because it really helps me out when you go there. And my community board will always have tomorrow's video on it. Well, as long as I'm here, it will. And Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery will also have tomorrow's video. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is